everyone, welcome to another video of mine. It's your boy Lana McConnell here live. Once again, it's another keycap reveal. Another one just came in. And not only that, this might already shadow what it is, but it came along with this nice, soft card, I suppose, like their calling card. And I must say it's quite beautiful. Please ignore the scratch here. I did, when I was opening the box, it kind of scratched the card. And then I didn't know it had it in there. But not only that, a little message came along the way in this little plastic bag here, and it says, "Thank you for your trust and support. You are the reason we become better. Virtue keys." And yeah, not a problem. I haven't opened this box yet, so this is my first time revealing this keycap. And let's see how we... God, I hate these things, man. It's so complicated. Sorry, I lied. It's not complicated. I'm just dumb. Here we are, the reveal of another keycap to join our wonderful collection over here. So, wow, this is heavy. Holy crap, that's heavy. That is absolutely so heavy. I didn't expect that at all. And there it is, the owl keycap with two different color eyes. Now, did I personally request this? Yes. Yes, I did, because I'm not too sure what I was thinking. It looked cool in my eyes, but now that I've seen it in person, it looks even more cooler. Kind of, I guess. It looks like it's a buggy swollen eye, to be honest with you. Yeah, I should have stick with the left one here. But there are other designs as well. But I thought this look, yeah, you can barely see it. But it has this cutesy anime look to it, given the little star there. I'm not sure you can see that. But I definitely prefer this. It definitely accentuates a complete look here. But yeah, this thing is heavy. I did not expect that at all. And I think it'll work very, very well for any sort of keycap profile, to be honest. It's not overly protruding from the keyboard itself. So I think this will work well for any essay profile or OEM or even cherry, to be honest with you. So, but yeah, I didn't expect this to be chunky and heavy, eh? Like, that's crazy. That is crazy. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you so much, Virtue Keys. Thank you so much for the card as well. You know, I might use this to practice my throwing, to be honest with you. It feels really nice and soft, not gonna lie. It's like a thick piece of cardboard, I suppose. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing, no stickers, no candy, nothing, you know. I guess I got this, which is unique and different. But yeah, I really appreciate it. It's a bronze color. You have the option, there's like 6 other options, and you have the option to do 2 of the same color, or matches, make as you want. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe down below, and see you guys next time. And hopefully, you're gonna be plugged in somewhere here.
Do you know the way? What does it even mean anymore?